Welcome back to Data UX. This is a podcast where we'll be talking about data and UX. My name is Obruche and I'm a UX specialist. And this is Julius. This is data specialist. So this podcast is going to be about how you can enhance UX and data, how you can get the best out of both of them. Because really, without data, you can't get the best of
Yep,
UX,
true.
and
Yeah.
without UX, you can't get the best of data. So Julius will be talking about data. So can you just say a few words about?
Yeah. I think data has become like a new oil,
Yeah,
and every business has to adopt any data strategy because
I, I,
without
I
data,
actually like that words.
yeah, it's
The
yeah,
new
it is,
oil.
it
Yeah.
is the new oil, and data is everywhere. And when data is everywhere, that begs the question that if we can see data wherever we go, move around with the data you're seeing, it has a massive impact on a day-to-day activities
Yeah.
or business operations or even your own user needs. You need data to make a decision. You need data for you to know at what point you want to pick up your bus, or you need that data to understand what's the next maybe flight in terms of maybe getting cheapest flight
And
tickets.
that gets me thinking this podcast will not be about just business, how you can use data to grow your
Yeah,
business.
yeah,
It could be you being a student,
yeah.
how you get data, like if you're searching for a course to study, you need data to make an informed decision,
Correct. Yeah,
like the course you study in the university you're going,
yeah.
even up to your budget, how much have you got to spend. So all of these is all about the data. And when it comes to the user experience, it would be what university,
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
because you want to pick the university that aligns with whatever course you're
Exactly. I
studying
think
for.
again,
Yeah,
data basically is more about comparisons and making decisions.
yeah,
Like exactly, you're quite right saying like, for me to decide or to choose which university I need to go, I need to make sure that I have the data
yeah,
from the accommodation. I've got data in terms of the tuition fee. I've got
hmm,
data in terms of opportunities,
yeah,
especially work opportunities. So all that's
yeah,
basically data that help you make a decision. Equally, if you walk into a store, you do also comparisons in terms of pricing of
yeah.
items you buy,
And
and don't forget that even those stores as well, they collect data to
yeah,
understand what are the user needs. How can we be able to ensure that we accommodate, and we can be able to ensure that whoever walks in, our customers are able to afford what we're
yeah, and
selling.
that is to say, as a customer or a user, you're actually using data,
Yeah,
but you're not using it intentionally. So that's what this podcast will be about, letting you know how you can intentionally get data.
yeah,
Just like you said, data is everywhere.
yeah,
If you're not looking out for them, you won't be able to like pinpoint where they're at.
exactly. Yeah,
So this podcast will let you know where you can easily get data, how you can use your data effectively.
correct. Yeah,
So yeah. So just keep an eye. This is one of our episodes. If you're interested in learning more about data, because all our lives we use data, whether you
yeah,
like it or not, you're going to need data to make one or two decisions.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what this podcast is all about. So we'll stop this episode here. We'll talk to you on the next one. So see you
Yeah,
guys
cheers.
later.
Thanks.
Yeah.